Hi everyone, my name is Tae, and today we're going to make golden fried rice with shrimp. We're going to use 4 cups of cooked rice, 4 eggs, 1 cup of broccolini, green beans, carrot, and onion, 2 garlic cloves, green onions, olive oil, oyster sauce, sesame seeds, salt, and pepper. First, we're going to mix rice and eggs. You can use either pre-cooked rice or you can prepare rice in advance. Ideally, you want to chill your rice beforehand. This helps to keep rice grains separated. Mix well until every rice grains are covered with the eggs. Next step is chopping all the vegetables. You can chop your vegetables in whichever size you preferred, but just keep in mind to adjust your cooking time according to your vegetable size. Once you're done with preparing all the vegetables, let's move on to the shrimp. I am going to use peeled, deveined shrimp for its convenience, but if you have a raw shrimp, just use the kitchen shears, snip through the shell along the top, and pull it off the shell. Now all your ingredients are ready. Heat up your wok or pan with a medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oils and cook the shrimp. Cook it until flesh is slightly opaque and pinkish white in color. You don't want to overcook the shrimp, so set it aside for now. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil and cook the vegetables. Add in onions and garlic first. Cook it until fragrant and slightly opaque. I like to add onions and garlic first as they release aromas and it infuses the oil. Then, add another vegetables. Cook it for another 30 to 60 seconds depending on the heat and the size of your vegetables. Add in rice, loosen up the clumps, and cook it for another minute. Add in oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust your seasoning as needed. Add in shrimps and green onions, and cook it for another 30 more seconds. Once it's done, you can garnish with more green onions and sesame seeds. You can enjoy fried rice itself as a main dish. It can also be a great side dish complementing your main meal. Great thing about fried rice recipe is that it is really versatile. You can add, remove, or substitute most of the ingredients. So feel free to adjust the recipe based on what is available in your fridge. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to check out other recipes on Kendall Brigham Nutrition Center website. Thank you.